Open up your internet browser, either it's Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or whatever you use, and search for Media Creation Tool. Click on the first result and download the Windows 10. On this page, scroll down a bit and click Download the tool now. After the download is complete, open the tool, accept the license terms. Here, we will choose the second option, create the installation media, next. On this tab, we have language, edition, and architecture. If you want to modify the language or the architecture, you must uncheck this box first. If you don't know your architecture system, either it's 32 or 64-bit, go ahead and manually check it in order to be sure it's a 32 or 64. Click on search and type my PC. You have it up here. Right click on it and go for properties. We have system type, and you can clearly see here if you're using a 32 or 64-bit operating system. Good. Now that you know, let's move on with the installation. You can go ahead and click next. We'll go with the first option here, USB flash drive. Next. For Windows 10 installation, minimum USB flash requirement must be at least 8 GB of memory if we are using a 64-bit system. Keep that in mind. Go ahead and plug it. I will also do the same. For me, it's L, as you can see here. Right click on your flash drive and click Format. Under File System, select NTFS, so NetFS, okay, and click Start and then OK. After it's formatted, go back to your installation and click Refresh. You can see that my L drive popped up right here. Go ahead and click Next. So this process should take around 10 minutes, and in the end it should say that your USB flash drive is ready. Exactly like this. Now you can click Finish. Leave the USB stick plugged as it is, and let's restart the PC to go into BIOS mode. After you hear the beep sound, press Del on your keyboard to enter BIOS. If Del keyword doesn't work for you, try F1 or F2. I'm going to my boot menu. You can see all of your hard drives. We're looking for the USB flash drive, and we can see there are two options. Boot via Wi-Fi or boot normally. Keep in mind that if you're going to install Windows 10 on M.2 NVMe SSD slot, you must select here Wi-Fi because of the GPT partition. These SSDs come by default. I won't go into details here, but if you have a normal hard drive, normal SSD, go ahead and select the normal boot. Click Next. Install now. If you have a product key, enter it. If not, click I don't have a product key. From this list, select Windows 10 Pro and go Next. Accept the terms. Next. Click on the Custom Install. If you have many drives on your computer, it could be messy to identify the right one where you want to install the Windows 10. That's why I renamed my SSD to King in Windows mode, so now I can easily identify it. So it has 223.1 GB. Click on the SSD, delete it. Also, delete the second one if you have 500 MB or something, and after, proceed with the installation by clicking Next. Okay, well done. I think this was all of the important things you needed to know, and I'm sure that you will manage to finalize this installation. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. This video actually helped you, so I can also benefit from this YouTube algorithm. Cheers!